Dear students, in this class, you are going to learn the new topic note making. So, up to 2 years back or up to last year, also, we had note taking. That note taking, this note making go hand in hand because these two are interrelated. Okay, so note taking is whenever you sit in the classroom, you listen any lecture, or you may sit in a seminar, you listen carefully and take notes from it. So whatever the notes taken by you, either from a lecture or from a seminar, with the help of that only you can make the notes. So let us have a glance over note making. Okay, note making is another important technique useful for not only for students but also lecturers and planned speakers. Note making helps us to distill information from the lecture, seminar, and a volume that is available in this lesson. The students will learn how to make notes using Q method, mapping method, and Cornell method. By using above shown three methods, you can make the notes by using respective techniques. So it means here everything is very clear, and you have got totally three methods in this topic note making. So with the help of that, you are going to learn this note making. Okay, so this is all about the slide number 1. Okay, then have a glance over slide number 2. Introduction. There are number of techniques that you can use to make good, concise, and accurate notes. The selection of the technique of note making depends on the nature of the information, details, your style, etc. It means whatever the information you get, based on that you have to make the notes. So this is all about slide number 2 is what, and let us have a glance over some important points. Okay, so the first comes Q method. So it has got another name, sequential method. Okay, to write in this Q method what the important features you should follow, and the first one is select. Select means you have to write a suitable title for your making notes. The second important point is begin the answer with introduction. This is very important. Next, third is body. Use sequential works in descending order. This is very important. The fourth important point is write or give suitable conclusion. Okay, so whenever you are asked any question to write Q method or sequential method, you should follow the given four important features. Okay, the first one is already I told you, give a suitable title. The second one is, okay, begin the answer with the introduction. The third one, whatever you write, that should be in sequential as well in descending order. The fourth one is, you should give suitable conclusion to your notes. This is all about what, slide 2. So in this I gave you some details. Then have a glance over the slide number 3. Okay, so in this some information is giving additional information related to Q method. Q method is also called sequential or linear note making. Notes are made in the form of lists or phases called queues. The main features of the notes taken by the Q methods are: the first one is keywords and phrases, the second one is headings, the third one is subheadings, the fourth one is underline, next fifth one is margins, the sixth one is inclusion of diagram, flowcharts and colors. Next seventh one is suitable layout. These are very important in Q method. So up to here you have learnt, okay, some tips how to write, okay, making notes. Okay, just in this class you have learnt and what features you should follow while writing the Q methods, and it has got some other important what points I told you in slide 3. And once again you have to understand very well by what referring these points. Okay, so the some part of these topics will be continued in our next class. See you students tomorrow.
एक्सप्लेन नहीं करते 3-4 का
कौन सा?
क्यू मेथड के मार्जिन्स ये एक्सप्लेन नहीं करते हेडिंग्स.
ये क्या है हेडिंग से एक्सप्लेन करने क्या रहता है?
हाँ.
सब हेडिंग से ये इसको एक्सप्लेनेशन करने क्या रहता है जी? कितना टाइम है बोला?
3-4 दो स्लाइड हम मिला के बोलना मगर 3 एक ही बोल हालन के मैं यहाँ लिखी हूँ 3 and 4 बोल के
कितना है बोला ना?
देखते
12 minutes, हाँ?
आया नहीं वो पहले कहीं की
डेटा ऑन है ऑफ करके देखो.
क्या डालो पहले वीडियो बंद है उन लोग बुला लेंगे इधर ही अंदर.
Yeah.
नहीं यार कैनाट प्ले बोलता है यहाँ था कहीं ना कहीं रहता मगर